Hi everyone. So this is the code that I have created continuation for the previous part, that is how to share within the same network. So if you give here hyphen host, it will help you to able to share link with others within the same Wi-Fi network. So I have changed in backend and frontend as well. And if you see here in the VS Code, this is the backend application that is tracking everything. And I am having the phone, and if I run here, it will affect here. So I am not using within this laptop, and I am using it within my mobile. I am accessing it from mobile. That's why it is triggering. And make sure we have to connect within the same Wi-Fi network. And for the front end, let's go here. Without doing anything, I can able to submit my response. So the count is 2 here now. From the mobile, I will give my name as S3, and my response will be 3 correct answer, and new response will be 50. Save. And if I click on submit response, the response has been submitted. So now the if you here you can see the value has been changed, and here is the updated responses here. And if you go to backend, and response has been updated. If you see, check the time, it is around 7 hours 54 minutes, 7:54 p.m. If I run again, new choice and new result has been updated here as S3. Okay, again, if I give or submit the response as S4 through the different device, say my response is 3 again, and my response will be 30 now for the second question. If you see here, here only the 15 and 50 response has been done, and only 3 votes. Now if I click on submit response again, it will update again here. Wow, very fantastic. That's how the within the different devices within same network, it can be possible only when local host is replaced with your IP address. Make sure in the React application you have to give the value as dev host hyphen host. That's it. Thank you. And again, if I run again, you can see S4. S1, S2, S3, S4. That's it. If you have any doubts, any ideologies, you can share with me. And one more thing is, I have added an new authentication page. If I click on delete, it will ask for the authentication admin key. This is a new feature that I added recently. And if you have admin key, you can enter it. And this admin key is coming from .env file. And delete the poll also needs authentication key. If I give this, the poll will be deleted automatically. So you can give the authentication key as, I think I have to check what is the authentication, and if you can give from the env file, you can take the value and you can delete it. I don't know what was the admin key. I will check with you later. Let's check what is the authentication key now. Okay. .env. Okay. Let's go back here. If I want to delete the results, you can give the results. If I click on the delete, all the results have been deleted. all responses has been deleted. Again, if you run it again, there is no responses. Entire response has been reset. No responses have been done because I have given that. Now, if I want to delete the poll, delete admin key, done. The poll has been successfully deleted. If you check this, if I run this, no poll exists. That's it. This is how you can implement your own full stack application. Thank you.